Here's a fireplace, let's add some fire. We'll make a new layer and call it fire. With the pen tool, draw a path for our fire, go to filter, render and flame. We want to change the flame type to multiple flames in one direction, increase the length, randomize the length, and increase the interval between the flames. And we can increase the width slightly as well. Each time we choose to randomize the length, we get a slightly different flame effect. That looks good. That's okay, but it's not very realistic. So let's switch to the smudge tool, and we'll set a small softer edged brush here, and I'm going for a strength of 80%, and now we can just smear the bottoms of these flames into place so that they look more realistic coming off this fire. That's all very well, but we need a glow in the background. So we'll go to the background, so we'll make a new layer, call it glow, and set the mode of this layer to hard light. And now we switch to the brush tool, hold Option or Alt and sample a colour out of the flames. And now when we paint at low opacity in that background, we get our glow on those bricks behind our fire. And we can add some more glow just at the bottom, so it makes the logs look as if they're glowing. I just spotted a small error, that in fact the fire's too wide. So let's go to the fire layer, go into Free Transform, and because we want to scale this non-proportionally, just hold the Shift key down, and now we can drag that left-hand side in, and now the fire fits the fireplace. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel.